Page 51, Conversation. What does he look like? Complete the conversation. Then watch and check your answers. Practice the conversation with a partner.
What are you watching?
It's a TV awards ceremony.
Hey, there's Bo Marshall.
Who?
Bo Marshall, the actor.
Which one is he? What does he look like?
He's tall and he has dark hair.
Oh, I see him. Do you know him?
Yes, I do. I was in high school with him.
Really? What's he like?
He's really nice, and he's very friendly.
I see. Was he your boyfriend in high school?
I wish.